Base method of multiplication. Our base is 100. 93 times 97. 93 is 7 less than 10. 97 is 3 less than 10. Then subtract. 93 minus 3 is 90. 97 minus 7 is 90. And then multiply negative 7 times negative 3, that is 21. So we write 21. So the answer is 9,021. 104 times 108. Our base is still 100. So 104 is 4 more than 100. 108 is 8 more than 100. Then add 104 plus 8, that is 112. 108 plus 4, 112. So we write 112, and then 4 times 8, 32. So we write 32. So the answer is 11,232. 95 times 102. 95 is 5 less than 100. 102 is 2 more than 100. Then 95 plus 2, 97. 102 minus 5 is 97. So we write 97 and then put 2 zeros. Then negative 5 times positive 2, that is negative 10. So we subtract 10. So this will become 0. 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then 7 will become 6. Then 6, bring down 9. So the answer is 9,690.